I am Joe Siegel, and you are someone I care a great deal about. And I want to take this moment to offer a prayer, an affirmation of love and compassion so that we can all center our energy and our attention and our focus on what really matters this moment, being compassionate to ourselves and others, and amplifying love in the world. And so let's take a moment to center ourselves, take a deep breath, and extend our heart and love and compassion out everywhere to everyone. We send our love and blessings and compassion and caring to all beings everywhere, to all beings everywhere, to all people, all beings everywhere. We send our love and compassion and caring to everyone everywhere, all over this planet. And let ourselves feel connected, connected to that energy of caring and kindness and compassion, and project from our heart and mind and soul our caring, loving energy out to the world, out to all beings everywhere, that we are all one, that we are all connected, that our fates are all intertwined together. And that is the real meaning and nature of solidarity, that we care about each other and that we help each other. And that's what my work is about, is sharing ideas and ways of increasing our good health, our harmonious collaboration with one another, our solidarity and peace in our lives, in our society, in our nations, and in our world. So I wish you peace and good health and happiness, and thank you for being here with me. Please visit my community and join me at patreon.com/Joe Siegel. I wish you love, peace, and good health always. Thank you.